In this video, we're going to compare three of the most popular ultra-portable laptops in 2024, the Asus Zenbook S14, the Dell XPS 13, and the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X. These laptops are all known for their sleek designs, powerful performance, and long battery life. But which option best meets your needs? We'll be taking a close look at each laptop's design, performance, display, battery life, and features. We'll also compare their prices to help you determine which one offers the best value. Watch till the end to find out which laptop is the clear winner, and look for product links in the description below. The Asus Zenbook S14 is a premium ultrabook that offers a stunning design, powerful performance, and a vibrant OLED display. Powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra 200 series processor, the Zenbook S14 delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks while maintaining a sleek and portable form factor. Its design is a standout feature. Its slim and lightweight build, combined with its premium metal finish, gives it a sophisticated and professional look. The laptop features a 14-inch OLED display that delivers exceptional image quality with rich colors, deep blacks, and sharp details. The display's high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming experiences, making it ideal for content creators and multimedia enthusiasts. It is equipped with Intel's Core Ultra 200 series processor, which offers a significant improvement in performance compared to previous generations. The processor's integrated graphics provide ample power for everyday tasks, including web browsing, productivity applications, and even some light gaming. While its battery life is commendable, it may not match the endurance of some ARM-based laptops. However, the laptop's fast charging capabilities help to minimize downtime. It features a comfortable keyboard with good key travel and responsive feedback. The trackpad is large and precise, making navigation easy and intuitive. The laptop also includes fingerprint recognition for convenient and secure login. It offers a decent selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and a headphone jack. While it lacks an SD card reader, the included Thunderbolt 4 ports can be used to connect to external storage devices and monitors. It comes with several additional features that enhance its usability and functionality. These include Wi-Fi 6E for fast and reliable internet connectivity, Harman Kardon-tuned speakers for immersive audio, and a built-in webcam with privacy shutter. The Asus Zenbook S14 is a well-rounded ultrabook that offers a combination of style, performance, and portability. Its stunning OLED display, comfortable keyboard, and powerful processor make it a great choice for students, professionals, and anyone who values a premium laptop experience. While its battery life may not be as long as some competitors, its overall performance and features make it a compelling option for those seeking a high-quality and versatile laptop. The Dell XPS 13 has long been a popular choice among laptop users, known for its sleek design and powerful performance. However, the latest iteration of the XPS 13, released in 2024, has received mixed reviews due to its performance limitations and premium pricing. The XPS 13 maintains its reputation for exceptional design, featuring a sleek and compact aluminum chassis that exudes premium quality. The laptop's small footprint and lightweight design make it highly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go professionals and students. It is available in a variety of colors, including platinum silver and graphite black, to suit different preferences. It offers a high-quality display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. The display's wide viewing angles and low glare coating ensure a comfortable viewing experience even in bright environments. While the base model comes with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, users can upgrade to a higher resolution 2560 by 1600 or 2880 by 1800 OLED display for a more immersive visual experience. It features a comfortable keyboard with good key travel and responsive feedback. The trackpad is large and precise, making navigation easy and intuitive. However, some users have complained about the keyboard's layout and feel, particularly the narrow gaps between the keys and the lack of a dedicated function row. While the XPS 13 is powered by a capable Intel Core processor, its performance may not live up to expectations, especially when compared to some of its competitors. The laptop's small size and limited cooling capabilities can restrict its performance potential, leading to throttling under heavy workloads. Additionally, its base memory configuration of 8 GB may be insufficient for demanding tasks, requiring users to upgrade to higher memory options. It delivers impressive battery life, allowing users to get through a full day of work or study without needing to recharge. However, the laptop's battery life can vary depending on usage patterns and the selected display settings. It offers a limited selection of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and a headphone jack. While the Thunderbolt 4 ports can be used to connect to external monitors and devices, the lack of additional ports may be inconvenient for users who require multiple connections. The Dell XPS 13 remains a stylish and portable laptop, but its performance limitations and premium pricing may make it a less attractive option for some users. While the laptop's design and display are impressive, its overall value proposition may be compromised by its performance shortcomings. If you are looking for a powerful and feature-rich laptop, you may want to consider other options that offer better performance at a more competitive price point. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a sleek and portable laptop designed to offer users a powerful and convenient computing experience. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processor, the Yoga Slim 7X incorporates artificial intelligence features to enhance productivity and streamline tasks. The Yoga Slim 7X boasts a stylish and durable design, featuring a slim and lightweight aluminum chassis that is both comfortable to hold and easy to carry. The laptop's sleek lines and premium materials make it a visually appealing device that can complement any professional setting. Despite its compact size, the Yoga Slim 7X is built to withstand the rigors of everyday use thanks to its MIL-STD 810H certification. The Yoga Slim 7X features a stunning 14.5-inch OLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details. The display's high resolution and wide viewing angles ensure a clear and immersive visual experience, making it ideal for content consumption, creative work, and gaming. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processor, which offers a balance of performance and efficiency. The processor's integrated graphics provide adequate performance for most everyday tasks, including web browsing, productivity applications, and light gaming. While the Yoga Slim 7X may not be as powerful as some Intel-based laptops, it offers a solid performance level for its price point. The Yoga Slim 7X incorporates AI features to enhance productivity and streamline tasks. These features include Copilot Plus, which provides AI-assisted assistance for various tasks, and Windows Studio Effects, which improve video conferencing experiences. While these AI features are still in their early stages of development, they have the potential to offer significant benefits to users who embrace them. It delivers respectable battery life, allowing users to get through a full day of work or study without needing to recharge. However, the laptop's battery life can vary depending on usage patterns and the selected display settings. It offers a limited selection of ports, including 3 USB-C Gen 3 ports and a physical camera shutter switch. While the Thunderbolt 4 ports can be used to connect to external monitors and devices, the lack of additional ports may be inconvenient for users who require multiple connections. In conclusion, when comparing the Asus Zenbook S14, Dell XPS 13, and Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, each ultra-portable laptop excels in different areas. The Zenbook S14 stands out for its stunning OLED display, powerful Intel Core Ultra 200 series performance, and premium design, making it an excellent choice for professionals and content creators. The Dell XPS 13 offers a sleek design and strong battery life, but falls short in performance for demanding tasks, potentially diminishing its value. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processor, provides solid performance with innovative AI features, but may not match the raw power of the Zenbook. By weighing performance, design, and features, the clear winner is the Asus Zenbook S14, making it the best choice for those seeking a high-quality ultra-portable laptop in 2024.